Picture this. You're going about your day, living your life to the fullest, and suddenly you get a message from a woman who just can't stop thinking about you. She's wondering what you're up to, missing your presence, and longing to be around you. Doesn't that sound incredible? Well, it's not only possible, it's within your reach. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets that high-value men use to make women miss them like crazy. These aren't just tips or tricks, they're proven strategies that work. You'll learn how to create a sense of mystery, how to make her feel special, and how to leave a lasting impression that keeps her coming back for more. So are you ready to transform your interactions with women and become the man they can't resist? Stay tuned, because I'm about to share 10 powerful secrets that will change your life forever. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to make any woman miss you and crave your attention. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Number 10, don't contact her. Here's the harsh truth. Women are naturally drawn to those who distance themselves. The more you chase them, the more they lose interest. Stop sharing every detail of your day and cut back on the constant communication. Put down your phone and take some distance. Remember, no one can miss you if you're always available. By not contacting her, you'll stay on her mind. She'll start wondering what you're up to, and her imagination will run wild. This creates a sense of mystery and independence that women find irresistible. When you're always available, it sends the message that you have nothing else going on in your life. Instead, focus on your own activities and interests. Women are attracted to men who are busy and have their own lives. This shows them that you're not desperate for their attention, which makes them more curious and interested in you. Number 9. Show her you're living well. When a woman misses you, she'll look into what you're doing. If she sees you're living a fun and successful life, she'll want to be part of it. Use social media to your advantage. Post about your successes and fun times, but avoid sharing troubles or boring details. Seeing you enjoying life will make her feel like she's missing out, increasing her interest in you. Living well doesn't mean you have to flaunt expensive cars or lavish vacations. It's about showing that you're happy, active, and fulfilled. Share moments of your hobbies, adventures, and achievements. This not only makes you more attractive, but also signals that you're a high-value man with a rich and interesting life. Number 8, don't fall for her attention bait. When she realizes she hasn't heard from you, she'll try to get your attention indirectly, often through social media. She might post pictures or status updates designed to catch your eye. Don't fall for it, ignore her posts, and don't interact. This lack of validation will drive her crazy, as she'll be wondering why you're not paying attention like everyone else. Women often test men to see how much they care and how easily they can be influenced. By not reacting to her attempts for attention, you show that you're not easily swayed and that you have control over your emotions. This strength is incredibly attractive and sets you apart from other men who might be quick to respond to her every move. Number 7, make her jealous. Jealousy can be a powerful motivator. Show her that you have other options. This doesn't mean you need to date someone else. Even a picture with friends, especially if there's a woman in the photo, can spark jealousy. Tagging a woman in your posts will make her wonder about your relationship with her, fueling her desire to win you over. Jealousy works because it taps into a woman's competitive nature. When she sees that other women are interested in you or that you have a social life without her, it makes her question her own value and status in your life. This can lead her to put more effort into winning your attention and affection. Number 6, create memorable moments. While you're together, make the moments special with jokes, activities, or nicknames that she'll associate with you. These small but significant details will bring back memories of you when she encounters them again, making her miss you more. For example, you can create an inside joke or nickname related to a shared experience or something she loves. These little things become mental triggers that remind her of you every time she encounters them. It's a subtle way to stay in her thoughts even when you're not around. Number 5, teach her something new. Women love learning new things from a man, as it shows leadership and capability. Teaching her something new will make you memorable and appreciated. She'll think of you every time she uses that knowledge, reinforcing your value in her life. Teaching doesn't have to be grand or complicated. It could be something as simple as a new hobby, a cooking recipe, or a useful life hack. The key is to share knowledge in a way that is engaging and enjoyable for her. This creates a bond and makes you stand out as someone who adds value to her life. Number 4, stay cool when she reaches out. When she finally contacts you, don't overreact. Stay calm and collected. Overexcitement can be a turnoff, signaling dependency. Keep your responses simple and vague. A simple "Hey, how are you?" is cordial but doesn't show too much eagerness. This maintains the mystery and keeps her interest piqued. When she reaches out, it's a sign that she's been thinking about you and wants to reconnect. Responding in a cool and composed manner shows that you're not desperate and that you value your own space and time. This balance of interest and independence is what keeps her intrigued and wanting more. Number 3. Focus on self-improvement. One of the most attractive qualities in a man is his dedication to self-improvement. Whether it's advancing in your career, hitting the gym, or learning a new skill, focusing on bettering yourself will make her see you in a new light. When she notices your growth and achievements, she'll start to miss being part of your life. Women are naturally drawn to men who strive for success and self-betterment. By focusing on self-improvement, you demonstrate ambition and drive, qualities that are highly attractive. Moreover, as you improve yourself, you become more confident, which further increases your desirability. Number 2. Be unpredictable. Routine can quickly become boring. To keep her on her toes, be unpredictable in your actions. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or unreliable, but rather introducing an element of surprise and excitement into your interactions. This unpredictability will make her constantly think about you and what you might do next. Being unpredictable can mean spontaneous dates, surprise gifts, or unexpected messages. The key is to keep things fresh and exciting, so she never knows exactly what to expect from you. This sense of mystery and anticipation can make her miss you more when you're not around. Number 1. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude is infectious and highly attractive. When you're optimistic and upbeat, it makes others want to be around you. If you maintain a positive attitude even when you're not in contact with her, she'll miss the uplifting energy you bring into her life. Positivity can be shown through your interactions, social media posts, and overall demeanor. When she sees that you're happy and enjoying life, it creates a desire to be part of that happiness. A positive attitude not only makes you more attractive, but also makes her more likely to miss your presence. By following these 10 steps, you can make any woman miss you and value your presence more. Remember, the key is to maintain a balance between showing interest and keeping your own life vibrant and fulfilling. Women are attracted to men who are confident, independent, and mysterious. By implementing these strategies, you'll position yourself as a high-value man who any woman would miss and want to be around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below sharing your experiences. Stay tuned for more valuable content in our next video.